Nachos are pretty much always delicious, but are just as often not so healthy. This recipe combines the great taste of this beloved snack without making you feel too guilty for indulging. Crispy, oven-baked sweet potato slices take the place of chips, and when mixed with cheese, beans, jalapeños and more, they're just as good as any other basket of nachos you've ever had. Things you'll need: 2 baking sheets, parchment paper, 2 to 3 small sweet potatoes, scrubbed and sliced into 1/4 inch rounds, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper, 1/2 cup canned black beans, drained and rinsed, 1/2 to 3/4 cup shredded Mexican cheese, 1/3 cup diced tomato, 1 jalapeño, deseeded and thinly sliced, sour cream or Mexican crema, for drizzling. Step 1. Heat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the rack in the center of the oven. Add the sweet potato slices to a large bowl and toss with the olive oil, salt and a few cracks of pepper. Continue to toss to coat. Step 2. Arrange the slices on 2 large baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Tip: make sure not to overcrowd the slices or they will not crisp up. Step 3. Place the pans in the oven and roast for 20 minutes. Flip and cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, or until the slices appear crisp. Step 4. To assemble the nachos, transfer the sweet potato rounds to a medium cast iron skillet, or some other oven-safe dish. Scatter the beans and cheese over the top and place back into the oven for about 5 minutes, or until the cheese has melted. Step 5. Carefully remove from oven, garnish with remaining toppings and enjoy right away. Thanks for watching. For more great recipes, check links below.